Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink and its valuations against Bitcoin as well as the US dollar. Usually, I don't talk about the US dollar, but I mean, we put in a new all-time high apparently, with a high of $26.95, making it the new all-time high for Chainlink. However, let's go back to the Link Bitcoin valuation, and remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, it was touch and go yesterday and the day before that with Chainlink. Let me zoom in here so we get a better idea. So when we were coming down, from the local peak of the 23rd of January, we kept on bouncing off of the 20-day. We wicked down it here on the 29th. We wicked down again on the 1st of February, wicked down to the 2nd. And on the 3rd, we had some like indecision candle. But still above the 20-day. It was yesterday where we closed below or on the 20-day, I would say, and for the whole day it was down. It was down below the 20-day. It seemed like at some points to me it seemed like it was going to close, but obviously I would want to wait for it to close, and it didn't. It 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 came back up, made a new day, and then started moving to the upside, and now we're above the 20-day moving average, as you can see now. Now I will have the same kind of expectation as I had yesterday. Now, yeah, we're above the 20-day. We're 5% above for the day, but there's 10 hours left in the day. And I would like to see this close above, significantly above, like 5% or higher above the 20-day. None of this, you could argue that we closed below the 20-day today, but it's so close. It's really hard to make the distinction. It's a lot easier to make the call when it closes well above. Anyway, here we are. We're 4.5, 4.75, 5% above for the day, and causing Link USD valuations to go up. It's another thing to notice, something that was very interesting about Chainlink USD is when we flip it to the weekly. We hugged the 20-day and now we're moving on our way up. Much like this move here. This, you could call it an accumulation range, so to speak. And when we take a bar pattern from, say, here to the top, okay, it seems quite similar. So are we seeing that hesitation? Because we've already completed the pattern of hugging the 20-day, accumulating Chainlink. I want to know who has been accumulating Chainlink from, it's from as low as like $7.30 to as high as maybe $14, $15. My average was in between that. Actually, a little bit more to the higher side. I think 13.90 is my average dollar range for Chainlink. But we've completed that. We had the pump up, and now we're at this stage of hesitation, these 3 weekly candles of hesitation. And what do you see here? We're on our 3rd week at this level at around $26, $24. First week was in the 18th. Last week, the January 25th, we're down 9%. But here we are, up 17% for the week. And we'll see what happens next week, because if this is going to be a carbon copy now, and naturally it most likely isn't going to be, next week we should see a huge move to the upside. And if we take the same bar pattern Okay, take the same bar pattern, and I don't think I got everything. Hold on, sorry. If we take the entire bar pattern and we line it up, okay, where does that take us? Well, that takes us to about $62 chain link. Um, that would be great. I would totally welcome a $62 chain link. I don't know if we'll get there, get that high. In my view, like a $40 chain link is on my radar for now. But $62 is technically possible if we follow the same pattern and the same gains as we did in the spring summer. It's very exciting times for Chainlink. It was touch and go at some points. I mean, when you look at the Link Bitcoin chart, it didn't look pretty. But remember, you guys, this might look scary, but does it supersede the trend that Chainlink has been on? And trends usually continue far more than trends reversing. Okay. So in this case, with Chainlink, you took a calculated risk. If you're accumulating down here, accumulating with Bitcoin was probably a great time to accumulate with Bitcoin and see this rebound here. And looking for me at least, looking at this trend and seeing it down here shows to me a buying opportunity. And I talked about opportunities with VeChain as well yesterday. And I would say the same thing with Chainlink. When I see the price this low on an asset that has been steadily accumulating consistently, this becomes a buying opportunity. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye on on Chainlink against Bitcoin and its moves above the 20-day. If we're able to stay above it, more likely we'll be bullish if we're able to bounce off of this and continue higher. Take care, you guys.